Hello everyone, once again welcome back to Fingertips. This video is the continuation of the previous Vlookup session. Basically in this video we will learn Vlookup trim with data validation. So let's quickly begin this session without waiting any further. Also, if you have any questions or doubts, please let us know in the comment section below.
So now first we will see Vlookup with trim function. When do we use trim function if you remember? When there are spaces in the data set. So now if you'll see, if I enter over here and press F2, there is a space after Smith. I'll check in the mark cell as well, there is a space. And in John as well, we can see there is the space. So if you'll use directly, you will get an error. You have to use trim function over here. So you have to trim the lookup value. How will you do it? Equals to Vlookup, then enter trim function. Okay. Now you can select this cell. Okay, and now select the table array. So table array from name column, because the lookup value should be in the first column of the table array. So I am selecting here, I need the annual income. So it is the fifth column from name. I'll give 5 as a column number and 0 for correct match, right? Yes. So for Smith, we can see the annual income is 434,546. Now we'll just drag down the formula and it should give me the salary for all the names that I have mentioned. Mark, the salary is 3,22,976. For John, the salary is 779,812. Now what happens if it is reverse? If the names doesn't have, the lookup value doesn't have any spaces, but there is a space in the table array itself. Now for Mary, if I'll just press F2, there is a space. For Michael, if I'll see, there is a space. For Jasmine, there is a space. So how will we use it? Simple, equals to Vlookup. Select the Mary value. And now you have to trim the table array. So trim and select the array. Okay. And now column number is 3455. Column number is 345. Okay, and 0. Now what do you think if I'll press enter? Will I get the value? Enter. No, I'm getting an error. Because when we are using an array, we have to press Ctrl Shift and enter. Right. So I'll just go over here and press Ctrl Shift and enter. See, for Mary, it is giving me $8,22,976, which is perfect. But now if you see, this is converted to text. Mary is in the left of the column and this is also in the left of the column. But generally the numbers on the right side of the column. So how will we do it? We'll just go in the formula, add +0 and enter. Oops, again an error. So we have to press Ctrl Shift and enter. Ctrl Shift and enter. And I'm getting the value and it has converted into number format as well. Now you can just drag down the formula and it will give me the annual income for the respective names. Now instead of writing the names every time, we can use data validation list function in that. So in names, directly I'll go in the data tab. I'll go into data validation and I'll select list. We have already learned this and I'll just select the source directly as these names over here and enter and OK. Now I have to just select any name and I can get the designation and the annual income. Let's see how to do it. Equals to Vlookup. Table value will start from names. First, I just want till designation. I can select these two columns and write table array as 2 and column index. Sorry, we didn't select the lookup value. So we'll select the lookup value this. We'll go to table array. We'll select this and select 2 and 0. We'll get the designation. For Jones, the designation is data analyst. Perfect. And what is the annual income? Equals to Vlookup. Select the Jones, select the table array. So we'll select the annual income. It is for the fifth column and 0. Perfect. So annual income is this. Now I can just change the name from the list over here. I can select Jasmine, and Jasmine is machine learning engineer. Yes. And the salary is 3,24,546. Similarly, if I select any other name, Michael, yes. So designation data scientist is perfect and salary is $79,812. Perfect.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed this session on Excel. In this Excel course, we are going to cover all the things, like from formulas to charts, graphs, and even some case studies on real data sets. I hope you guys will feel more confident on your Excel skills after this. But remember, practice makes you the perfect, right? So don't hesitate to try out what you have learned. Also, if you want to excel in your career too, then you can check out our Data Science Pro program by clicking on the link given in the description. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or if you have any doubts related to Excel, please let us know in the comment section below. Till then, happy learning.